Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel, where today's video I have got my special effects kit bag with me. So that means obviously that I'm going to be doing a special effects video. So I thought I'd do something like quite easy. So I'm literally just going to be doing a tutorial on a kind of easy special effects look. So I'm just going to get out what I need. So the first thing I'm going to use is my Pros-Aid, or Pros-Aid, however you want to pronounce it. And I'm going to take a little cotton bud like this. And I am going to, so this look is going to be like, it's more of like a horror sort of one, because that's like the special effects that I do, like the more horror sort of special effect. That's what today's look is going to be. So I'm going to put like, it's going to be like cuts all the way down my finger. So yeah, I'm going to take my Pros-Aid and I'm going to put it all the way up my finger like this. Just going to do that. I'm then going to take my Ben Nye Scar Wax. Oh, I've just ruined that. I always break something in my videos. So that's gone clear. So I'm going to take my Scar Wax. I'm gonna take out quite a nice chunk of it, probably like that, and I'm gonna quickly, I'll need to work fast now because that's dry, so it's ready to have something stuck on it. I'm gonna roll it into a worm sausage shape, you know what I mean. You need to do that quite fast because it's pretty hard to work with. So I'm gonna stick that onto my finger like so, and I'm just gonna press it on just like this. I'll do it up close. I'm just gonna press that on to there, and then I'm gonna blend it out. I'll show you how I do that. So obviously, to help blend out my Scar Wax, I do use petroleum jelly or Vaseline, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just gonna take a little bit on my spatula, and then I'm gonna start I'm gonna press it right in with my finger first and squish it all down like that, and then I am going to just blend that along the sides. Just what this does is obviously blends it in with your real skin. And I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side. And then on a little paintbrush, I'm going to take some Vaseline and I'm going to paint it all the way down and use the Vaseline on the paintbrush to help blend it out and blend it into my natural skin. And then obviously I am going to be putting a powder over the top of this because Vaseline obviously makes it very, very shiny. But yeah, I'm just going to use that. And you can see that you do get a faster result by using the Vaseline. I will come back and show you once that bit's done. Now this is all blended in. You can kind of see that it's made a weird shape to my finger, like compared to that one. Yeah, because that's all the Scar Wax on the edge. I'm gonna take my Ben Nye neutral set powder, and I'm just gonna pour a little bit of that out into the lid of it. Just like so, and I'm going to take a powder brush, and so it goes everywhere, and I'm just gonna set it with powder because obviously this mattifies the area, because we do not want it to look shiny because skin isn't shiny, it's matte. So that's what is going on here. So then once you've got it all set and everything, you can start doing what you want to, and obviously this is going to be like a finger cut tutorial, a cut up finger tutorial, but obviously like you could do a long slice down a finger, wherever you put the Scar Wax, like you might not even put it on your finger. This is just kind of like a generic tutorial on my look, but just watching this tutorial you can find out different ways to do your own tutorial, really. Well, do your own look, really. So now that that's done, I'm gonna take my spatula. It's got like a sharper end, but it's not that sharp. And what I'm gonna do, I don't know how to get a good angle on this, is I'm gonna just do like incisions all the way down now, like that. So just like that, I'm going to continue to do that all the way down my finger. I'll show you another one. The same again. So now it looks like that, pretty funky. And then it's on to the fun bit where we add in the blood. I am going to be using the Congealed Blood by Glyn McKay, and I'm gonna take a look at that now, and I'm gonna take a small paintbrush like this, and I'm just going to paint that into the cuts like that, and I'm gonna do that all the way up. So I have now done that. I'm gonna insert like a close-up video of this, but that's what it looks like. It looks better in real life, but yeah, this is what you get from it. Like, it's just like your finger is like sliced up, but when you see it in like a close-up video, it'll be a little bit better. But that's the little tutorial. So that was the complete video and the final look. Please remember to like and subscribe, and leave any comment requests down below, and I will see you in another video soon.